AirSwap finds that the current market has many problems with the security and privacy of an individual user. Some of the core problems with the current market are deficiency of centralization, data shared to the third party, shared control of data, giving third-party permission, unemployment, lack of transparency, heavy middlemen cost, third-party transactional costs, unserved, underserved, underdeveloped, expensive mining process, less usage of blockchain, unbanked, expensive global payment gateways, manipulation, convenience fees, so on. dApp's development with AirSwap utility token to make charge-free protocol for the secured peer-to-peer exchange of services and goods globally. To be the most affordable blockchain protocol for the people by the people. When we see the prospering economic model, they can be classified into three economies. They include the sharing economy, Candy's economy and decentralized economy. The participants' work format includes individual work, collaborative work and collective work. Starting with the sharing economy, is mostly free, reputation-driven, and work can be done individually or collaboratively. The second type of economy is the Candy economy, which gives individuals some revenue in the form of bounty, tips, or as revenue sharing for collaborative work. The third one is the transformational all-new decentralized economy that gives next-level options like security, low-cost transactions, standardization, accuracy, transparency, autonomy, voting power, and revenue sharing using smart contracts. In a decentralized economy, people work collectively to reach the goals of the organization as the top priority. AirSwap is designed to be a future self-sustainable economy powered by charge-free blockchain network that delivers privacy, security, and scalability. AirSwap DAO is based on a decentralized structure where users interact and exchange value peer-to-peer with AirSwap ES utility token. AirSwap uses the consensus mechanism to align the interests of the users towards the goals of the organization. Here, the interests of the participants members where stakeholders are aligned towards the incentive rules tied to the AirSwap native token. To approve proposals, stakeholders should vote to reach the majority of 66% consensus in AirSwap DAO. AirSwap uses Web 3.0 i.e., third generation of the Internet, where the devices are connected in a decentralized network rather than depending on the server-based database. AirSwap offers charge-free transactions since 2020. In 2017, AirSwap had this vision to engineer value to offer incentives and build a charge-free network model for the community, which is a significant bottleneck for DeFi usage in AirSwap ecosystem as well as industry. After a successful testnet in 2019, AirSwap erupted as seamless, successful charge-free blockchain infrastructure providers for any Web 3.0 based DeFi solutions. AirSwap is a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that is governed by a set of software rules on blockchain. AirSwap DAO uses a consensus mechanism to reach the goals of the organization with its stakeholders. AirSwap DAO will have 37 interlinked smart contracts/dApps stored in AirSwap blockchain network with predefined tools that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. The users can trust the outcome as accurate. AirSwap DAO uses POS validators which do the management part in AirSwap network. Time Ally smart contract is the governing protocol that rewards as per the behaviors of participants present in the network. AirSwap DAO enables stake owner to have a single point of authentication and authorization autonomy that preclude the need for many centralized administrators or middlemen costs. AirSwap DAO supports 66% consensus management with POS validation by stake owners instead of any kind of legal contract. The ownership and rewards are given in proportion to AirSwap Time Ally 1LT stake holding. The supervision is done autonomously by Booksy and Kami software, and independent contractors can be ecosystem workforce. Time Ally smart contract is the governing protocol that rewards as per the behaviors of participants present in the network. Being aware of that to run a standard proof-of-work blockchain protocol can be demanding, which is why with a lot of research, smart work, and time AirSwap has developed a responsible and environment-friendly Layer 2 blockchain solution for the masses. This means stakeholders can mine AirSwap by simply delegating their stakes to trusted validator nodes. Here stakeholder can participate in data validation without any technical expertise, special hardware, taxing electricity consumption, dedicated air conditioning, or high-speed internet. Stakeholders earn their monthly delegation share with no noise pollution, no heat produced, no depreciation of infrastructure, no man management, no space management, no human interference, no energy, and no time is wasted, resulting in minimal carbon footprint. Thus network runs with negligible damage to the environment. Scalable, stable, transparent, secured, and reliable blockchain network. It's charge-free blockchain network. Environments friendly. Speed, currently 5 seconds per block. Single sign-on to entire ES decentralized ecosystem. Ecosystem designed for multiple tasks and day-to-day activities at one place. AirSwap rewards and incentivizing culture. Multi-level KYC verifications. POS-based blockchain. Kami the guardian of AirSwap network. Merkle swap, where you can convert your native tokens to Ethereum ERC20 and another way round. Create and launch new applications free of cost. 4 staking plans to choose: 1 LT, PET, SAG, and Angel. Web and app alpha versions are live. Delivered accurate staking rewards from 2019. Recorded 22,185,788 plus charge-free transactions on AirSwap blockchain. Ecosystem with 35,000 plus airdrop participants and 7,000 day swappers referral program participants. Accuracy in distributing AirSwap mining rewards since November 2020. AirSwap DAO has 3 engines, namely AirSwap Decentralized Network, ESN, AirSwap Decentralized Token, ES, AirSwap Decentralized Ecosystem. AirSwap charge-free blockchain network allows multiple cloud computing users to enter a loosely coupled peer-to-peer smart contract to mine AirSwap. ESN leverages the decentralized security of Ethereum, and the scalability can be achieved through a sidechain. ESN can give 500 transactions in every 5 seconds at 99.99% lower cost, currently free, than doing transactions on Ethereum blockchain. AirSwap network currently allows 8,600,000 plus transactions per day, which is further scalable to 43 million plus per day in beta version, with a block time of 5 seconds. AirSwap network has successfully mined 3,097,483 blocks, recorded 20 million plus transactions at a 0 transaction cost as we speak. ESN is charge-free. Security, speed, standardization, accuracy, transparency, autonomy. AirSwap token is a decentralized utility token that allows holders for P2P exchange using smart contracts within AirSwap decentralized ecosystem. AirSwap is a native token of AirSwap network blockchain proof-of-stake consensus protocol, designed to optimize utilization in AirSwap decentralized ecosystem and strengthen decentralized AirSwap network for long-term viability. It is utilized for transactions, transaction fees, mining, and staking rewards on AirSwap network. This AirSwap token NRT distribution chart. All new tokens from the newly released token will be released through Time Ally DApp as per the distribution chart. New AirSwap supply reduces by 10% every year from the previous year's supply. In burning rule, numbers of ES are permanently removed from ES circulation. Token burn sources: 10% ES collected from KYC DApp, 10% ES of fuel collected from ecosystem platforms, unused rewards, destroyed staking when a borrower chooses to default repayment of loan or interest. AIRDROP decentralized ecosystem is based on Web 3.0, where the devices are connected in an AIRDROP decentralized network rather than depending on server-based databases. It intends to eliminate the need to involve a mutually acceptable trusted third party for P2P exchange using cost-efficient AIRDROP blockchain network, ESN. It consists of 14 plus interlined dApps, where ES utility tokens can be utilized and exchanged. The benefits of Web 3.0 are anti-monopoly and pro-privacy, secure network, data ownership, no interruption in service, permissionless blockchain, semantic web, ubiquity, and more. There is a total of 14 plus ES utility platforms ready and more in making. The followings are some of them. REFERRAL blockchain-based social networking platform where quality content can be rewarded. Time Swappers P2P marketplace for service providers. Bus Cafe P2P marketplace for local shops and businesses to become atma-nearbar. Day Swappers in-house affiliate marketing program to bring more and more users on board. BetaX prediction platform where predictor and person who run contests can increase their ES counts. Time Ally Solutions multiple flexible staking options for users to stake an AIRDROP and increase ES count. There is also an additional feature called ISS Time Limit where you can avail Time Ally Loan. AIRDROP Explorer AIRDROP Blockchain Explorer where you get information, stats, analytics, and more about ES and ESN in one place. KYC DApp all-in-one KYC stop to manage KYC process of all marketplaces of AIRDROP ecosystem. Coupon DApp transfer ES tokens using coupon codes via mail and messaging platforms like WhatsApp. CertiDApp blockchain-based digital certificate issuers for institutions. Booking DApp sell and book event tickets in P2P. Renting DApp rent and lease in P2P. Charity DApp P2P charity platform where verified organizations and individuals can raise funds for their charitable cause. AIRDROP Cloud, P2P decentralized network for storing and sharing data in a distributed IPFS enabling users to even buy and sell unused storage using ES. Cure DApp, here users can book appointment with doctors, keeps health records and medical reports on blockchain securely. Surveys DApp, organization and individual can opt for decentralized review and survey on blockchain. Merkle Swap, token bridge for AIRDROP community to swap ES ERC20 tokens, ES, from Ethereum mainnet to AIRDROP native, ESNA, of AIRDROP blockchain network. AIRDROP wallet, cryptocurrency security standard, CCSS, compliant hierarchical deterministic decentralized web wallet, HD wallet, which supports storage of ES native, WES, Ethereum, and any ERC20 token. AIRDROP Life and 1DAAP are single sign-on gateway apps to AIRDROP ecosystem platforms, which have interlinked platforms of ecosystem incorporated, and the team is working every day to make it more seamless and user-friendly. With the inclusion of blockchain in 2008, there are a total of 5 phases that have occurred in blockchain development. Phase 1, 2009 to 2012, was a proof of concept for blockchain, i.e., Bitcoin for niche adopters. With Phase 2, 2013 to 2014, blockchain was on infrastructure development that includes exchange, wallet, custody and payment. In Phase 3, 2015 to 2017, deployment of smart contracts takes place and the first application was created in financial use cases which lets users do micropayment, remittance, and cross-border payment. Phase 4, 2017 to 2018, was an exploratory phase that includes dApps, PCs, ICO. Blockchain got validation in Phase 5, 2019 to 2020, with proven use cases like successful dApps and blockchain improvements. Phase 6, 2021 onwards, AirSwap stands to disrupt monopolies with continuous development and innovation of competitive dApps with scalable and efficient blockchain supported by Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO, infrastructure. An initiative called Build in Blockchain trained more than 5,000 students free of cost on blockchain coding and 1,600 plus students certified on blockchain on scholarship. In Memorandum of Understanding with 17 engineering colleges and universities for FDP and internal training. Developed curriculum for students, faculty, and employees, internal and external trainings with content development, 500 hours of video training and quizzes on blockchain, AI and ML, deep learning, IoT, networking and ethical hacking, Objective-C and IOS, digital marketing, and software testing. AirSwap is a unique combination of multiple dApps integrated into one ecosystem powered by one utility token and one decentralized AirSwap blockchain network to become self-sustainable as the community is empowered to earn their rewards with their own effort without any centralized authority. AirSwap Network, ESN, uses proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanism. It is a fault-tolerant mechanism used in blockchain systems. All the stakers should participate not just to earn profits but to protect the interest of the ESN and their own long-term AirSwap stakings. AirSwap Network, ESN, is a decentralized blockchain network, and the growth of ESN is solely dependent on the community and doesn't depend on the promoters/developers. In ESN, a person can create liquidity with their own efforts and solely responsible for the rewards generation. AirSwap Network is an EVM-compatible sidechain attached to the Ethereum blockchain through Plasma framework. This allows off-chain processing of AirSwap ecosystem transactions and posting only the hash of the bunch to Ethereum. This greatly reduces the high network fee and confirmation time issues faced by the current AirSwap ecosystem dApps deployed on Ethereum. ESN is an EVM-compatible blockchain tailored to AirSwap ecosystem that improves the user experience to a higher extent. Since by design, Plasma framework makes the AirSwap network as secure as the Ethereum network, users' funds on the network would be secure as well. AirSwap network will help scale dApps of AirSwap ecosystem to onboard the increasing numbers of users and provide solutions for common man problems because it is efficient, fast and affordable. AirSwap utility token is subject to market risk. Every participant or purchaser of AirSwap should rely completely upon external market forces dictating the value of AirSwap instead of relying on promoters/developers to enhance the value of AirSwap. AirSwap is a decentralized utility token used for the exchange of multi-utility products and services which can have future demand for multiple utilities. AirSwap token is a carefully crafted tokenomics where the community will be able to participate and generate maximum benefits by maximizing its contribution. AirSwap ecosystem uses AirSwap blockchain network to connect with multiple platforms to exchange the value of services with community members. AirSwap ecosystem will welcome all next technologies enthusiasts and developers to come and build their dApps on AirSwap network and the leverage AirSwap ecosystem. AirSwap is committed to create the largest spread of services one can avail using utility token.